Felix project is actually helping a lot of people who really need food and are not able to get it. Food connects us all. I think that's my favorite memory from the Felix kitchen. Cooking together with everyone and then sending out those meals to people and then seeing their faces lit up.
I love the fact that Felix caters for people that are really vulnerable. There's quite a wide community of people.
It's invaluable to those that just can't keep their fridge full every day. Donations from HelloFresh make a huge difference to Felix. I mean, we send out masses of food, and when you see it all stacked up being wheeled out to different charities, it makes a huge difference when you see something that possibly would have gone to waste being put to better use.
Without these donations, I don't think that it will be possible to operate at the scale at which Felix Kitchen operates. All these brands coming together, it really helps the project to keep going and serving more and more people.
It is getting to the right people, still in good time, so it's still fresh for them. And it supports various good causes in ways that really only you can.
How many volunteers are there then?
There's we've got about 2,000 volunteers on our books across, and there's 4 depots. There's the kitchen, and there's also a central London volunteering opportunity, which are walking routes. But of those, there's about 1,000 are kind of very active, engaged volunteers who kind of come regularly. But one of the things we're really proud of is it's a really flexible volunteering offer. You don't have to commit to the same slot every week.
I started off back in 2020, right at the beginning of the pandemic, so it was kind of crazy, but a really good time, and I realised the need. There's a lot of vulnerable people, a lot of people struggling.
I love volunteering because I feel that I'm part of a bigger picture, helping people that need an extra helping hand.
You can prep food in the kitchen, you can pack meals, and you can even redistribute it to those in need.
They're great in the warehouse, they're great in the office, you know, everyone's in a great mood. There's a box of Quality Streets usually on the side you can dip in and out of, and it's just amazing to see the volume of food being put to better use, really.
Every time one meets one of what we refer to as good causes, the people within even realise that it's actually them doing the real business, and we're just, just supporting them. So it's a great pleasure to meet some amazing people.
We don't even have time to think about how long we've been going. It's just like go, 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 go. We have our regular clients, they come to us on a regular. We get to know them, we get to know their needs. So when they come here, they're getting all of that nice stuff, you know what I mean? And it's free, and it's healthy, and it's good. I'm really grateful for people like the Felix Project trusting us to be able to hand it out safely to our clients. When they open up this box of goodies from HelloFresh, you have actually saved the parents and the residents a lot of work, because all the goodies is in one box. And the thing is, it's not only one recipe, you've got 1, 2, 3. So how about that?
I think the best thing that people can donate to the Felix project is their time. You know, you don't always have to pay in cash. There's so many ways of giving back in kind, and Felix project gives you that opportunity to be able to give back. So come and volunteer.